everyone, how's it going? I have purple hair. It's really purple, like really purple, and I kind of love it. Yesterday I shot a really exciting campaign which I'll share with you really soon, and for said campaign they dyed my hair bright purple. That's great. It's semi-permanent, it won't be here forever. I'm just gonna enjoy it and have fun with it while it's here, play with my makeup a little bit more, because why the hell not? Why not? I thought I would film this gorgeous purple duochrome halo smoky eye for you guys today, which is inspired by all the different shades of purple that are currently in my hair. I thought I would go for a contrasting red lip because why not? It's just a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoy it. I've linked all the products down below. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you would join. I am feeling so inspired to film, which is really amazing and exciting because I haven't, obviously I've not been filming very often recently, but I'm getting my groove back and I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this look and let's get on with the video. All right, everybody. I think I feel like playing with color right now because I got sent this gorgeous palette. Where is it? You guys know how I feel about Diego de la Palma's eyeshadows. I think that they are so lovely. And I got this tiny little box in the mail. Shall we all just agree that this is the most adorable packaging you've ever seen in your life? This is embroidered. They weren't messing around when they made this packaging. And inside are these beautiful, beautiful blues. So I thought I would do it on my eyes. Realistically, these are all for shimmers. So I am gonna have to, you know, mix it up and use a different palette as well because I'm not going to use just shimmers on my eyes. And then they also brought out a blush with the same packaging, and it's gorgeous. It's got a little flower detail in it, so I thought let's use a couple of pretty products. Oh, and my eyebrows are finally healed, so that's pretty exciting. I was gonna go in with my usual skincare, but I think I'm gonna try something new. This is the by B Supercharged Serum Active Botanical Concentrate. It's natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and basically just like super hydrating. So I'm gonna try this. So I was shooting yesterday with Cosmopolitan, which was really exciting. Obviously why my hair is purple, because I'm working with Live Color and Got to Be. So they colored my hair for the shoot. It's semi-permanent, so it will wash out. It's the same as when I dyed my hair pink, like it will just fade out. This feels like rosehip oil. I don't know whether you're meant to wear this under makeup, but I'm going to because my skin feels parched after so many layers of makeup yesterday. I did a photo shoot and also a video shoot and also a little Q&A, and it was so much fun. I had so much fun, such a good day. I was absolutely exhausted when I got home. I am so tired today. It was such a long day. It was 8 till 8, so much fun, and really like excited and proud and happy that they wanted to work with me for it. I will let you guys know when the edition is out and you can see everything. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Huda Beauty palette because tell me that this doesn't match me perfectly. Part of me just wants to do purple now. Wait. No, I'm gonna do purple and blue. I'm gonna do purple and blue. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do my eyes first. So let me just throw on some brows quickly and then we'll get started. It's actually rude how fast I can do my eyebrows now. Like, thank you microblading, thank you Nessa. I am going to start with my NARS eyeshadow base. This is the tinted smudge proof eyeshadow base in the shade Light. I really, let me zoom you in. I love this eyeshadow base like more than life itself. It makes everything pop and stay popped, you know, all day, all night. I'm gonna start with the Huda Beauty palette and I'm just going to go in with Eden, this like gorgeous peach. And this is just gonna be a transition shade. It's a little bit warm. Peach and purple are lovely colors together. So, you know, you don't have to worry about it clashing too hard. And you barely will see any of this color anyway. I'm feeling offended by this palette now because there are no mattes. The three blues are all satiny shimmers. The pigment is stunning, don't get me wrong on that, but they're all shimmery. No, we can do this. I'm gonna go in with the shade Amethyst in the Huda Beauty palette, which also is a satin. What is going on? This matches my hair down pat. That matches my hair. I'm still hoping to use Diego, but if this amethyst colour is gonna take over my world right now, then Diego may be kicked to the curb. We'll just see. Okay, we're just gonna play. Amethyst, we are building, baby. I don't know actually if I've talked about this Huda Beauty palette. Have I? Have I? I've been super inspired to play with makeup again. I think it's whenever I change my hair, I'm like instantly inspired to play with different colours and different styles, because I've got a whole new like colour palette to work with, you know? I think it's super fun, especially when you go vibrant, like a blue purple on your hair. When I did my hair pink, I suddenly started wearing loads of pink makeup, you know, and just decided to have loads of fun with it. So surprise, surprise, when I dye my hair purple, I'm like, let's do a purple smoky eye, why not? I wanted to do a blue smoky eye and now I'm doing purple, but I think I am gonna bring the blue because this shade on application matches parts of my hair, but the more you blend, the pinker it gets, and I don't want pink. We are not here for pink right now. We want to be blues, purples, you know? Boom! Oh, damn diggity dog. Let's do it. Let's fall in love. I'm also just gonna bring amethyst a little bit into this inner corner here. Let's go in with Diego. Come on, Diegs. Let's try you out. I'm gonna take this dark shade. It's like a navy purple color. I'm about to break all the rules in the book and go in with a shimmer. Now this is the color of my hair. This also has a little bit of fallout, so I'm glad I haven't done my base yet. But I think I'm actually just gonna keep this to the lid, and I might go in with a different shade into the crease just to blend in between those two shades. Going back in with amethyst. It is a bit annoying that these shades are both shimmery, I will not lie to you. I feel like it's losing a bit of like the depth and the definition I would want, but it's okay. We're okay. We'll get through it. We will. Oh my goodness, you guys. Tim had his first exam yesterday and he just had his second one. He literally just finished it. So excited. Every time he finishes an exam, he's one step closer to freedom. And what does one step closer to freedom mean? One step closer to me and having fun with me. I'm so excited. Ooh, so far, loving the pigmentation on this blue, but I feel sad covering up this purple. I do, I really do. But I'll bring it back on the lower lash line maybe. Pop it out down there, we'll see. I am gonna take a little bit more of the eyeshadow base really quick. I'm not doing a cut crease, but I am just tapping a little bit in the center of the lid so that this next shade has something to stick to. But I'm not like cutting out the lid or anything like that, because I realistically never ever do cut creases. It's just a bit too structured for me, but I do them because I know that they're really popular. But on me, I'm just like, just throw a colour on. I'm gonna double pop the lid. So I'm gonna start with this blue and then I'm gonna line it up with a purple. Ooh. I'm telling you, if you are sleeping on Diego de la Palma's eyeshadows, you need to try them out. Do you remember that silver cut crease I did just with eyeshadow? That was Diego. Honestly, they are bomb eyeshadows. And then right in the center, I'm gonna go in with Twilight, which is like a, oh my God, it's so sheer. It's like a sheer pearlescent pink reflex blue. If I just pop that in the center, oh, it's pulling a little bit more blue, but it's okay. I'm gonna dampen the brush. And so depending on the light, it either looks more purple or more blue. Oh my goodness, that's stunning. I was gonna do like wings and all that, but honestly, I don't think it needs it. I may change my mind and wanna do liner and stuff, but for now, no. I am gonna go in with a little bit more of the oil because I just wiped away the fallout and I want the oil to mix with my foundation. Oh, she's glowing. She is most definitely glowing. I'm gonna make the skin a little bit fresher just to keep the look a little bit more modern because I might go for a bright lip. So I'm gonna start with my NARS Radiance Primer. This stuff is just, I just love it so much. And even though it has SPF, I haven't found it to flash back in photos, which is nice, which means you can go kind of day to night. You don't have to worry, because that's often something I worry about. I like to have SPF on during the day, but then if I'm, you know, wearing the same makeup and I'm going out later on for dinner or whatever, I don't want to have to worry about having flashback if we take pictures. I'm then gonna go in with my Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've talked about this quite a bit recently. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. I've been using this kind of religiously actually, in the same way, just drawing it on the tops of my cheekbones, on my forehead, chin, and my top lip, and then just blending it in with my foundation. Shall we bring out an Old Faithful? This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. This is literally empty, and let's go for it. One of my all-time favorite concealers ever, NARS Radiant Creamy in the shade Custard. You want to make sure you're covering up your dark circles well if you're going to be wearing purples, pinks, blues on your eye, just in case it looks like you've been punched. I have got a couple breakouts. I literally broke out during the shoot. It was mad. I don't know whether I had a product put on me that my skin didn't agree with, but I don't think it did because I was looking at the makeup artist kit and everything I've tried. So I don't think it was that. I think it was just my face being like, oh, you've got an exciting shoot today. So we just need to lower the tone a little bit and break out, okay? Cool. That is what I think happened. It was great. It was sabotage. It was sabotage. Thank you so much, me, you arsehole. Sorry, I just quickly had to call Tim and be on good girlfriend duty and ask him how his exam went. I think he's really happy, so that's great. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my Hourglass Veil Powder. I still love this. I use this like all the time. It is the only powder that just doesn't make you look like you're wearing powder, but still sets everything into place. You've just got to use it correctly. You can't use too much because it can flash back. So you've just got to use the right amount so that you take away the feeling of like the tackiness from your skin. Let me just quickly contour my nose using Hoola, obviously. Just gonna let my nose cook a little bit. Under the eye, I'm gonna go in with Amethyst. I'm loving this color. And you know, just blend that out. Now I feel like this look can either go super glam or nice and grunge. So this is kind of the point where you can make that decision. Do you put lashes on? You know, this is where these choices can be made. I go smudgy under my lower lash line because that's the look I like. You don't have to do that. I'm probably not gonna wear lashes with this look because I think it will look a bit cooler without lashes, but if you wanna wear lashes, throw on some lashes. Right, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of this dark blue. It had a bit of fall down, so make sure you tap off the excess and smudge that just on the lower lash line. And then I'm going back in with Amethyst to smudge it out even further. In the inner corner of your eye, you could either go for the highlight shade. Should I just try it? It might not show, that's the problem. Ooh, oh, that shows. Let me throw some mascara on. Which one am I going to use? I'm going to throw on a little bit of the Makeup Forever Smoky Lash Mascara. I'm going to start with a little bit of a contour. This is from the MAC Sculpt and Shape. Wow. Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, light to medium. So I'm going to take the middle shade and I'm just going to deepen up the outer contour a little bit to give me the shape. Let's do Hoola Caramel. Hoola Caramel. Let's do Hoola Caramel. I'm really liking it. More as a bronze. Sorry, the sun has come out, so now I'm nice and one-sided. It's great. For my blush, I am going to use the Diego de la Palma blush because it's beautiful. And the peachy shade on the outside basically matches the original transition shade I used, even though you can't see that anymore. You know, it's all about consistency. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Got a little bit carried away. I'm gonna spritz my face with the Flower Beauty Sealed Deal setting spray. Oh, I might go with an old favorite. This is my Dior Glow Face Palette thingy. This gold highlighter is one of my favorites of all time. It's just so stunning. For my lips, I'm gonna show you guys the lip combination that I've been wearing so frequently. I've already shown it on my channel, but I don't know why recently on my Instagram you guys have been asking me so much what I've been wearing on my lips, and it is this. It is the NARS Light My Fire Power Matte Lip Pigment. Now you guys know that I was on the hunt for my perfect red orange ever since they discontinued my favorite one from Tarte, and this has replaced it 100%. This is my new favorite, so let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna use red from MAC and I'm gonna line my lips. And by the way, if you've made it this far, make sure you subscribe, okay? The NARS Power Matte. Look at that. Oh, I'm so matchy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here is the completed look. I feel like a sassy purple princess right now. Thank you so much. Make sure you let me know what you think down below. Make sure you leave a comment. I've linked all of the products that I've used down below in the description box if you want to check it. If you want to check them out for yourselves. I go buy this lipstick. This is my favorite. Did I turn on the mic? Oh, that was genuine panic. That was genuine panic. That is all I have to say. Please subscribe if you are new. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more colourful looks like this. And let me know what you think of the hair. It's semi-permanent. It won't be here forever. I just think it's something a little bit fun, because why the hell not? So yeah, have the best day, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.